Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're tackling a common kitchen problem that's super annoying, that dreaded burnt popcorn smell in your microwave. You know, when you're just trying to enjoy some Netflix and popcorn, but then everything goes south? So, let's dive right in and learn how to get rid of burnt popcorn smell in your microwave with these simple, effective methods using household items. And don't worry, I've got you covered with step-by-step instructions. But, first, what are the tools and materials you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get rid of that awful smell. Get rid of it! Clean the microwave. Alright, first things first, let's clean that microwave. Make sure it's cool, because safety first, right? Grab a damp cloth or sponge, mix a few drops of mild dish soap with warm water, and get to work. Wipe down the entire interior, paying extra attention to those stubborn stains or burnt popcorn residue. Remember to clean the top of the microwave and the door too. And don't forget to dry it off with a clean cloth. Got a really stubborn spot? Try a baking soda and water paste. Apply, let it sit for a few, and then wipe it away. Use baking soda. Baking soda to the rescue. Fill a microwave-safe bowl with warm water and add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Mix it up, pop it in the microwave, and heat on high for 2 to 3 minutes. The baking soda solution will evaporate and absorb that nasty burnt popcorn smell. Carefully remove the bowl, it's hot, and let it cool down before tossing the solution. Still smells? Just repeat the process until it's gone. Use vinegar. Vinegar is a magical cleaner, isn't it? Mix 1 cup of water and 1 tablespoon of white vinegar in a bowl, and then heat it on high for 5 minutes. The steam will help loosen any burnt popcorn residue and eliminate the smell. Easy peasy. Use lemon. Lemon to the rescue. Squeeze the juice from half a lemon into a microwave-safe bowl, fill it with water, and heat on high for 3 minutes. The heat releases the lemon's natural oils, neutralizing that burnt popcorn smell. Don't forget to remove the bowl when it's done. Use vanilla extract. Vanilla isn't just for cookies. Mix it with water in a microwave-safe bowl, heat on high for 3 minutes, and let the released scent work its magic. Take out the bowl, and you're good to go. Use coffee grounds. Who knew coffee grounds could save the day? Add a thin layer to a microwave-safe bowl, pour in half a cup of water, and heat on high for 2 to 3 minutes. Leave the bowl in the microwave for 15 to 20 minutes, or longer if needed, to let the coffee grounds absorb the smell. Then, toss the used grounds. Use charcoal briquettes. Charcoal briquettes aren't just for grilling. Spread them evenly in a microwave-safe bowl and leave them in the microwave for several hours or overnight. They'll absorb the smell like a pro. Then, carefully remove and discard the charcoal. Use orange peels. Orange peels to the rescue. Quarter an orange or just use the peels, cover them with water in a microwave-safe bowl, and heat on high for 3 to 4 minutes. The released citrus scent will help eliminate the smell. Remove the bowl and toss the peels when you're done. Use essential oils. Aromatherapy, anyone? Choose a pleasant essential oil like lavender, lemon, peppermint, or tea tree oil. Fill a microwave-safe bowl with water, add a few drops of the oil, and give it a good stir. Heat the mixture on high for 2 to 3 minutes, and let the steam and oil scent do their thing. Afterward, remove the bowl and enjoy the fresh aroma. Air out the microwave. Now, after using any of these methods, give the microwave a final wipe down with a clean cloth or sponge. Then, leave the door open for a few hours, or even overnight, to let it air out. Place the microwave near an open window or a fan if possible. This ensures that any lingering smell is completely gone. There you have it, folks. Now you know how to get rid of burnt popcorn smell in your microwave using a variety of quick and easy methods. Give them a try and let me know which one works best for you in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, and be sure to subscribe for more awesome kitchen hacks and tips. Thanks for watching, and happy snacking. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked it and found it useful. If so, please like, share, and comment to let me know what you thought. Your feedback is important to me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos.